I made $8,000 this month and I shared it in CG Pro with the community. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I done it. So it was back in February. I was working away in the office and the crypto markets, they were having a bit of a red day. I was getting constant notifications on my phone of project just dumping in price. There was red all across the board. But this is whilst we were in a market that I perceived to be a healthy market. I thought it was healthy conditions. It was a healthy pullback that the market was having. So I thought, right, now's a good time to buy. Now's a good time. I've got $10,000 sitting on the sideline. I'm going to use that $10,000 and buy into a project, any project that I find today, and then I'm going to sell it when it reaches a level that it was at previously before today's dump. And the reason for doing this, I was obviously expecting a bounce. I felt like the bottom of the market was already in January, and the asset prices were going to continue to rise through February and March. So I basically wanted to take advantage of the price drop and then enter a trade that I would look to hold for a few days, a few hours, a few weeks, a few months, until it bounced back to the level it was at previously. So I got on my SwissBorg app and I just started scrolling through all the cryptos on there, and basically what I was doing, I was on the hunt to find whatever crypto had dropped the most that day, and it turned out to be UOS Ultra that was down the most on that day. I think it was down around 13 or 14% on the day. So using the most basic trading tactic in the crypto market, I bought the crypto that had crashed the most that day, which to be honest is something that I've done many times over the years. I do it quite often and it always tends to pay off as well. I mean in high cap coins, I don't mean in low cap coins or meme coins. Only in high cap coins I do this with. So the plan was invest $10,000 now at its crash price and then capitalise on a short-term profit on the bounce. So I hit buy and ordered UOS at 22 cents, and then after I bought UOS, I was straight on Discord, on CG Pro, and I let the members what I was buying, why I was buying it, and what I was looking to achieve, what level I was looking to cash out and hit a profit at. And I'll read the message out for you what I said to the members. So afternoon members, it's Deck. I've just scooped up a substantial bag of UOS. I have a video plan for members regarding UOS. This is my first time ever buying UOS, so pretty happy with my average buy at 22 cents. It's had a large drop off this past week from its 31 cents high. With a $10,000 investment, should we see a push back to 30 cents where UOS traded in the 8th of February. This would return a $3,800 profit, which will take the $3,800 profit and let my initial 10k investment ride. We'll update on this post if and when we reach 30 cents again. So that was it. The trade was placed. The members were updated. All I had to do now was let the trade run and get back with my day as normal. All I had to do was wait. But then another 2 days later, I decided to add to the position again. I was liking how the market was looking. I was liking the thought of UOS. I liked what they were planning in the near-term future to hopefully see a quick rise in price where I could capitalise on a spot trade. So I deposited another $10,000 and I bought more UOS. So this then took my average buy of UOS to 23 cents. And then after I'd bought that UOS, the first thing I did was let members know that I'd purchased some more. So I posted in members updates, buying again, adding another 10k to the UOS at 24 cents. Target remains the same at 32 cents, which will return another $3,000 profit. And as you can see there, I've attached the proof that I'm buying it. I'm not just a paper trader. You see that on Twitter a lot. You see people saying they're trading, but they don't actually place the trades. But I send the trade in and show members that my money is where my mouth is. And then of course, over the next week, the price of UOS kept dropping lower than I had bought in. But as I said before, all I had to do was wait and be patient. There's a lesson there. This is where the lesson is. I had a clear target and a clear plan set out for what I wanted to achieve. I invested 20k. I had my profit taking levels. All I had to do was sit back, be patient, and wait, because over the course of the next few weeks, when the price kept dropping and the weeks started to go by, I could have got impatient and I could have sold out of my positions in a loss, but that wasn't the plan. The plan was sell once we seen 32 cents again, whenever that may be. And during the time of this trade, apart from a few days when the price was above my average buy-in price of 23 cents, I was underwater on this trade and I was in a loss for around 42 days until we finally seen the breakout that I was looking for. And then UOS had a massive 50% price increase and it smashed my 32 cents target, which then I then smashed that sell button and I sold at my 32 cents target. And as you can probably guess, the first thing I done after I sold was let the members know and celebrate with the members. So it says, boom, let's go. All it took was patience for this trade to come through. $3,800 profit secured. And then straight after that, another one, $3,000 profit secured on this buy. It may run even higher, however, I've hit my goal and I'm executing the sell when I said I would. So that was it, done. Placed the positions, we had to wait over 42 days to finally get that trade and to make that $8,000. As I said, it wasn't easy, you sit through losses during that, but we made it, we got there, we had patience, we executed the trade, and then I celebrated the trade with the members. And yes, I could have held longer, I could have waited, I could have made even more profit, but that isn't the plan. That is not the plan. That is not how it's done. That's not how I like to do it. It's not how any professional likes to do it. The plan wasn't to just wait and see how it goes and see how high it can go, see how much profit I can make. No, I had a clear level that I wanted to achieve. The second it hits that level, I sell, I'm out. And this is another way that people lose when they're trading. They hold too long. They see gains on the table and they think, I'll just hold on longer and I'll make even more profit. But for me, crypto trading, crypto investing, it's my full-time job. It's my full-time income. It's my livelihood. So I don't have the luxury of we'll just wait and see what happens. Instead, I need to secure the profits, realise the profits, and then move on and look for the next opportunity to do the same thing again. And if you want to see what the next opportunity is, make sure that you check out CG Pro. That is our Discord community where we post all the trades, all the investments that we are making at CG. In CG Pro, that is where we post spot trades, leverage trades, and there's thousands of hours of educational content, educational videos, tutorials, live streams, podcasts, you name it, it is all in CG Pro. I'll leave a link down below in the pinned comment where you can check that out. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.